Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn an old toothbrush into a cleaning tool easily, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have an old toothbrush, you can turn it into a cleaning tool. The process is super easy to do, and to be honest with you, my wife and I do this with our old toothbrushes all the time. So whenever a toothbrush gets old and we replace it, we'll use it as a cleaning tool. That's just what we do. So the first thing is obviously determine that your toothbrush is old, and obviously make sure that you have a new toothbrush. So once you have a new toothbrush and you're ready to use your new toothbrush, you want to get your old toothbrush, and I would suggest labeling it so you know that it is now being turned into a cleaning tool. So you can do something as simple as putting a little piece of tape around it. I have some electrical tape over, it's on the floor. I'm not going to go get it now. It's not a big deal. I have some electrical tape in the car, but I could put a piece of electrical tape around it, and that could just be my signal to myself to say, okay, this is my cleaning toothbrush, my cleaning tool. Or it can be something as simple as, you put a label on it. So you put a piece of tape you put cleaning on it. Let's say you write down the word cleaning on it. But in one way or another, you want to label it so that you know that this old toothbrush is your cleaning tool. And I'm sorry, like I said, I thought I was going to be able to get some electrical tape. It was a spur of the moment thought. I just thought about it on the spot. I was like, maybe I can show you how I can just put like a mini flag on this with tape to show that it's a cleaning tool. But I'm not going to go and dig on the floor of the passenger side of my van to find that tape. I threw it down there when I made a previous video. I film a couple of videos at a time at least, and I'm not going to go dig for it. So I do apologize, but just understand that that's something that I might do. Okay, so basically, you want to label it in one way or another so that it is so that you know that it's a cleaning tool. Once you've labeled it, okay, then you can literally just use it as a cleaning tool to scrub stuff. Now, you're obviously going to use it alongside a cleaning solution and so on and so forth, but you can use it to scrub stuff. So let's say you've now labeled your old toothbrush and you're ready to use it as a cleaning tool, okay? So you can put some, cleaning solution on your grout, and you can take the toothbrush and you can scrub that grout, and you'll be able to clean the grout, okay? You can use it to scrub, I don't know, other things. I'm just off the top of my head. Like if you have a chair that's dirty and you need to scrub the chair, like a metal chair, you can use the cleaning toothbrush with the cleaning solution of your choice to scrub the metal chair. So basically, this allows you to scrub things, and it acts as a scrubber, okay? And it's good because it's a good cleaning tool, because you can have ones that are harder bristles that are a little bit more aggressive, or softer bristles that are a little bit less aggressive, a little bit easier, more gentle. So it's kind of up to you of how you're going to use it, and the toothbrush that you have as a cleaning tool, whether it's a bit harder with bristles or softer, meaning if it's a bit more aggressive or a bit more gentle, it's going to be up to you. But at the end of the day, the process for using your old toothbrush as a cleaning tool is very, very easy to do. Essentially, this is a summary of it, okay? You basically want to have your new toothbrush ready to go, and then you want to have your old toothbrush as your cleaning toothbrush. And when you have your old toothbrush as your cleaning tool or your cleaning toothbrush, you want to label it with something that tells you that it is indeed the cleaning tool or the cleaning toothbrush. Once it's labeled, you can then literally use it alongside the cleaning solution of your choice to scrub things, and that's how it cleans. It scrubs, right? And it allows you to get into small crevices because of its small space, and it allows it to just be very portable, very mobile. It's a great thing. And at the end of the day, if you're done with your toothbrush and it's now an old toothbrush and you already have a new one, you can either throw that old toothbrush out, you can get rid of it, or you can use it for something else. This is a way to make use of it for something else. So it's a way to reuse it, which is absolutely great. It's a great thing to do in general. And that's basically it. It allows you to be resourceful. It allows you to make the most use of what you have. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.